First line, education plays a very important role in our life. Second line, without education we can not achieve any success in life. Third line, education is important tool for our bright future. Fourth line, it helps us to learn many new and good things.